In this video, I am going to check out this awesome light. I saw it online. I'm looking forward to seeing if it looks the same or even better in person. So let's check it out. Okay, well, just from first impressions, I am very impressed by the glass here. So this crackled finish is a really neat effect. It's very well done. I'm really impressed. Yeah, you never know until you have something in person what it is going to look like, but I really, really like this. Wow, I can imagine what it would be like with light. Of course, it'll be much better to check it out. Additionally, I think this is extremely well packaged. First off, as you're working your way down from the initial fixture, you get to a styrofoam section and it says glass inside. So you know that you are about to come to the glass and therefore you can proceed with caution. These are well packaged in here. I don't think I can say enough. I kind of like the effect. Like, I could see this really working in a modern or classic or traditional room. So it seems pretty versatile if you ask me.